Okay, so we are live. Hi, students. Welcome to today's session. This is Sana Khan, your math master teacher. Not for today, but for other days on Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel. So, how are you all? Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Today we have a super exciting and amazing session, which is एक दिन का टीचर वन शॉट रिवीजन ऑफ द चैप्टर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री राइट सो मैंने आपको पिछले सेशन में बताया था गाइस कि whosoever wins the VQuiz of the last lecture will become teacher for a day. ठीक है, तो आज आ गया है वो दिन जब मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने वाली हूँ हमारे चैनल के न्यू टीचर से, who are none other than our very own students of Vedantu, who will be revising the entire chapter of coordinate geometry for you guys. So, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? Are you all excited to meet your new teachers? क्या आपको याद है कि कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट हुए थे आज का टीचर बनने के लिए? डू यू ऑल रिमेम्बर? हाय आरुषि, हाय आर्यन, हाय जननी, हाय रोहित. This is CBSE. Right now we have CBSE. So this is coordinate geometry chapter and today is the one shot revision of the entire chapter. Super duper excited. Well, I am too. Okay. So here's my introduction. My name is Sana Khan. As you all know, I'm your mathematics master teacher from Vedantu, who is also a software engineer by degree from NIT Raipur, right? Yes, Arushi, you are absolutely right. Hi, Nishad. So guys, जल्दी से इस वीडियो के लाइक बटन को हिट करिए, स्मैश करिए एंड मेक दिस वीडियो सुपर डुपर वायरल, बिकॉज आज आने वाले हैं वेदांतु के स्टूडेंट्स ऑन वेदांतु's very own channel to teach you, yes, to teach you. Okay, so quickly hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now it's time for एक दिन का teacher big revelation and the one shot revision. So who are the teachers for today's class? Well, let me introduce to you guys our very own teachers, our very own amazing teachers who are present over here. Hi Shravya, welcome to the class. Hi Tanay, hi Sisha.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Hi, ma'am.
everyone.
Hi.
Oh my God, I'm so happy and I'm so excited कि आज तुम लोग पढ़ाने वाले हो. आज मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. Like I'm going to relax for today. So मेरे लिए
Yes,
तो आज super relaxing day होने वाला है. How are you guys feeling to be the teacher for a day? We'll start with Shravya.
I'm very
Shravya,
nervous.
how are you feeling?
very excited. Very excited, ma'am.
You even look like a teacher. You know, like Shravya looks like she can become a teacher in future. Very impressed
Thank
by
you,
you.
ma'am.
You have that serious wala face एकदम. You can make a good impression. Tanay, what about you?
तो बहुत नर्वस हूँ.
Nervous? अरे इसमें nervous क्या होना है यार? I know you guys know this chapter very well और तुम लोग बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाओगे. I'm very very sure. So yes. Hi Sudhiksha.
Hi, ma'am.
कैसा क्या हाल है? कैसा फील हो रहा है?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very excited as well as very nervous.
I know. So it is very amazing. I think एक दिन का teacher is a very very amazing and a very good opportunity that to come on Vedanta, such a big platform. Like जब आप अपने friends, अपने टीचर्स, अपने कजन्स को बताओगे अरे पता है मैं वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाइव आई थी एंड आई वाज टीचिंग, सो वो आपका बिलीव नहीं करेंगे. ट्रस्ट मी, आप अपने स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को बता देंगे कि अरे झूठ बोल रही है, हाउ कैन यू बी ऑन वेदांतु. बट कल आप जाके उनको बोलना, अपने स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को ये वीडियो शेयर करना, वो सरप्राइज हो जाएंगे कि हाउ कम. राइट? ओके. हाय
Yes, ma'am.
हाय कन्हैया, हाय इल्मा. All right, people. So without wasting any time, let's get started क्योंकि आज हमें वन शॉट रिवीजन भी करना है इस चैप्टर का और आज मैं रिलैक्स यूं बैठे रहूं और आज का ये चैप्टर जो है वो श्राव्या, तनय और सुधीक्षा पढ़ाने वाले हैं. ठीक है बच्चों? यस कन्हैया, हाउ टू ज्वाइन? क्या बेटा, एक दिन का टीचर बनने के लिए वीक क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट करना था जो मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में लिया था और आपको क्लासेस का रेगुलर स्टूडेंट होना पड़ेगा. Okay. So इन बच्चों ने VQuiz जीता था. So Diksha was first, I think, and then
No,
I
ma'am,
think
I was
Shravya.
first.
अच्छा, Shravya was first, so Diksha was second, I guess. है ना?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Yes,
Tanay was
ma'am.
third. Yes, so they are the winners. That's why they are such. Okay. समझ गए. चलो बढ़िया. तो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Who's gonna start? कौन पहले पढ़ाएगा भाई? तो सबसे पहले जो है वो हम ये देखने वाले हैं कि कार्टेशियन सिस्टम क्या होता है एंड व्हाई डू वी और बेसिकली कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्या होती है एंड अ लिटिल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दैट. सो हु विल स्टार्ट? श्राव्या, विल यू स्टार्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now over to you. You are the teacher now, so अब आप पढ़ाना शुरू करो.
Okay. Why can't we find a point in a 2D sheet without the two positions? For example, in case in my tabletop, I have my pencil box. So if I want to locate that pencil box, if I want to find where the pencil box is actually located, so I need two positions for determining the location of the pencil box. So over here, Cartesian system or the coordinate geometry comes into picture whenever I want to determine the position of a particular object. So what is actually coordinate geometry? It is a branch of mathematics that deals with numbers, and these numbers are called as coordinates. So what are the coordinates? For example, coordinates are basically the numbers that uniquely determine the position of my object or any other element that I have. For example, if I have my pencil box and I have kept it on my table, so if I want to determine the position कि वो pencil box कहाँ रखा है, so how can I do? I can just simply use the concept of coordinate geometry for finding the position of my pencil box.
Correct. That's so awesome, yeah. Let's clap for Shravya. क्या बात है. Very good, very good. Very
Thank
nice
you, ma'am.
explanation. So बच्चों कैसी लगी हमारी न्यू टीचर श्राव्या भाटिया? Shravya, you can definitely try becoming a teacher. You know, you'll be very good. I can say that. I can say that. You have that inside you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Very
much.
good. That was awesome. Hanji बच्चों, how was Shravya? Janani saying very nice. I agree. I agree. आरुषि ने सही कहा. जो फर्स्ट आया वो फर्स्ट बोलेगा. चल श्राव्या को फर्स्ट चांस दे दिया. Tanuja is saying well done Shravya. Shruti is saying a big round of applause for Shravya. क्या बात है. Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, Shravya, can you continue with even the number line as well?
Yes, ma'am. So let us recall what a number line is. We have already discussed in our previous classes what a number line is. So a number line is basically collection of numbers including zero. So zero is basically the origin जहाँ से negative numbers, positive numbers start होते हैं. So when we go towards the right hand side of the number line, we will find the positive numbers. And when towards the left, we will find the negative numbers. And जो zero होता है, it is the origin. नंबर लाइन जहां से नंबर लाइन शुरू हो रही है दोनों तरफ से एक्सटेंड होती है.
Correct. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now over to Tanay. Tanay, will you explain us Cartesian plane and Cartesian system?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when the number line is placed vertically and horizontally, it cuts in it makes a plus like a structure. It is called as Cartesian plane. It has two axes, y-axis and x-axis, and the point of intersection is called origin.
Correct. Please go on. Yeah.
So it cuts in four quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth. There is four quadrant when they intersect. The x-axis is called abscissa and y-axis is called ordinate. So left hand side of the origin, it is negative x-axis, and the below of origin, it is negative y-axis, and the right and up side of the origin is called as positive x-axis and y-axis respectively.
Correct. Very nicely explained. Tanay, can you also explain sign of the coordinates of each quadrant?
Ma'am, first quadrant have two signs, positive and positive, because when we go right hand side of x-axis, it is positive, and upward of y-axis, it is also positive. So positive and positive. It is the sign of first quadrant. Similarly, in second quadrant, when we go left hand side of the origin, it is negative. So x-axis is negative, and the uh, y-axis is positive. So signs of second quadrant are negative and positive. Similarly, in third quadrant, when we go below the origin and left hand side of the origin, it is negative and negative of x-axis and y-axis. And in fourth quadrant, like v goes right to the x-axis and down to the origin, means negative y-axis. So it is positive and negative of the sign of quadrant fourth.
Very good, Tanay. Very good. Well done, well done, well done. So,
Thank
very
you.
nicely explained the Cartesian system and the quadrant system when we are plotting any point on the Cartesian plane. All right. Now, Sudhiksha, will you explain us abscissa and ordinate of a point?
Yes, ma'am. Suppose if we have a point, suppose suppose a point P, which is 5, 4, then the abscissa is the x coordinate, which is 5, and the ordinate is the y coordinate. In this point, it is 4.
Correct. Y coordinate. Yeah, right. Anything else? हम abscissa or ordinate किसको बोलते हैं, like distance from x axis, y axis, and also can you explain कि अगर कोई point x axis पे होता है तो उसके ordinates and abscissa में क्या फर्क आता है? Like अगर आप चाहो आप हिंदी में भी explain कर सकते हो, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. The abscissa is the distance from the y-axis,
Very good.
and the ordinate is the distance from the x-axis.
Correct.
In case if we have a point on the y-axis, then the abscissa should be 0, because the distance from y-axis will be 0. And in the same way, the ordinate, if the point is on the x-axis, then the abscissa will be
Very
is on the x-axis, then the y coordinate will be 0.
Very good, very good. Very nicely explained, Sudhiksha. Absolutely right. Anything else? कुछ और बोल रही थी क्या? मैंने interrupt कर दिया. Were you saying it? No? Okay. So guys, how did Sudhiksha teach? हाँ जी, समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? सुदीक्षा ने पढ़ाया बट समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? सुदीक्षा पढ़ने में तो अच्छी है, बताओ पढ़ाने में कैसी है? Well, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. He has taught this topic very very nicely. Anji, जल्दी से tell us. Janani saying very well done. Neetu ने बोला very nice. Anna,
thank you everyone.
बेटा, you can't join this session right now. जिन बच्चों ने लास्ट लेक्चर के VQuiz को विन किया था, लाइक टॉप 3 में आए थे, उन बच्चों को सेलेक्ट किया गया है टू बिकम एक दिन का टीचर बिकॉज दे डिजर्व इट and they are regular students of our classes as well. So like that only you can join this. Taliyan for all 3 of them. Thank you, Arushi. Hi, Jasin. Okay, awesome. So yes, these are some points to keep in mind जो सुदीक्षा ने हमें already बता दी, that x coordinate of a point is basically the distance from y-axis, y coordinate is the distance from x-axis, and respectively if a point is on the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0, on the y-axis x coordinate will be 0, यानी vice versa होता है. All right, now the last topic for the day will be for this chapter is how to plot a point in the plane if the coordinates are given. Who would like to explain this topic? Any one of you? Voluntarily. Any one of you can try explaining this. Matlab, this is obviously very small. I think Shravya wants to.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Go ahead.
So what is the process of plotting a point if on a plane if its coordinates are given? For example, if we have given with the coordinates 4, 3. So first of all, we need to understand what is the x coordinate and what is the y coordinate. So the method of writing x and the y coordinate is in the form of x comma y. That means जो x coordinate है वो पहले लिखा जाता है bracket में and then comes the y coordinate. So over here we can see 4 is in the x coordinate. So we will just go in the x axis, that is the horizontal line. So we just go 4 distance from the origin towards the right, and then we will go on the positive direction of the y axis and find the number 3. We will just join these 2 points with the help of dotted lines, and where these lines intersect, this point will be 4 comma 3. That means 4 is the abscissa and 3 is the ordinate.
Very good. Thank you, Shravya. All right.
Thank
So
you.
how we locate any point in the plane? A question can come to locate the point. It will be super easy question, super scoring question if you guys try this. For example, -2 comma 4, you can simply plot it. -2 distance from y axis, 4 distance from x axis, and simply you can plot it. So such type of questions will be very very easy for you if it comes in your exam. All right, now we are going to practice some of the question. Once again, our new teachers will explain us those questions one by one, and they will also show you a student approach because they are class 9 student themselves. So वो आपको बताएंगे कि वो इन टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को कैसे अप्रोच करते हैं और कैसे वी क्विज में टॉपर बन जाते हैं. ठीक है. So question number 1, Tanay, will you start this question?
Okay. What is the area? What is the area of the triangle formed by joining the points 8, 0, 12, 0, and 12, 4? Okay.
I
So
will
for this question, we need a Cartesian plane. Okay. If you plot the first point, which is 8, 0, means 8 distance from y axis and 0 from x axis. So it will come on here. And the B is a 12 unit distance from y axis and 0 from x axis. So it will come there. The C coordinate is 12 distance from y axis and 4 from x axis. So it is here. So area will be 8 to 12. It has 4 units.
Correct.
4 units is there.
And
फिर
similarly,
C to B ये हमारा है 4, इधर भी 4 units.
correct.
Then A to C हमारा इधर भी 4 आएगा, 4 units.
We need that? I think A to C we don't. Perimeter nahi. They are asking area.
Area. Oh sorry ma'am. हमें area
So,
चाहिए ना.
yeah.
Half into length plus.
Correct. So as Tanay said, the length of AB is 4 units. The length of B to C is 4 units. Why? Because 8 से 12 तक. How much you are traveling? 4 unit distance.
4 units.
Similarly, above x-axis you are traveling 0 to 4. Right? So again 4 units. So yes, Tanay, please continue. What will be the area?
Area will be ABC is a triangle. Then the area will be half of the 4 into 4.
Correct. Because it is half of base into height. Right. So this is half of
base is 4
AB
into 4 into 4.
base. Right. And hence we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8.
4 2s are 8 square unit.
Correct. So see bachcho, how simple is this question? First of all, it is very very important to plot the point. जैसा कि तनय ने start किया कि first you have to plot the points, then you have to form the triangle, join the points A, B, C. क्योंकि जब तक आप triangle नहीं बनाओगे, you won't get the idea how to find the area or what is the height, what is the base, कैसे पता चलेगा? You have to plot the points for that. And once you have plotted the points, then you can simply find out the area with the simple formula. Thank you, Tanay. Very good, very good, very nicely explained. So, Diksha, are you there? Can you explain the next question for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So the next question is find distances of point C, which is
Minus
minus
three,
3,
minus two.
comma minus 2, and D, which is 5, comma 2 from
Correct.
x-axis and y-axis.
Yes.
So first we have to plot these points on the Cartesian plane.
Can you see my
Okay, so
Continue.
okay, ma'am.
The distances of point C, the point C will lie on the negative side of the x-axis because it's -3, and we'll go upwards.
Oh, so sorry.
Sorry,
Wait,
not
wait.
downwards, right?
So sorry. Yeah. Here.
So and -2, which will go downwards, and hence we will get the point C.
Hmm.
And then we'll plot the point D, which is on the right hand side of the y-axis, which is 5, 2, and we'll go to upwards because it's positive.
Yes.
And then
Hi, Bang Pink. No, you are not late. And yes, this is live class. I say, yes, you are late. Quite late. 23 minutes late. But yeah, this is a live class. Yes. So, Diksha, so basically they're asking the distance of the point from x-axis and from y-axis. तो जैसा कि यू हैड एक्सप्लेन अर्लियर कि अगर मेरे पास एक पॉइंट है -3, -2, तो इसका एक्स एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस कितना है सुदीक्षा फॉर पॉइंट सी?
मैम एक्स एक्सिस से -2
करेक्ट. सो द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस इज -2 और -2 का मतलब 2 यूनिट्स डाउनवर्ड, क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन का मतलब है डाउनवर्ड्स, है ना? Similarly, Sudhiksha, what will be the distance from y-axis for this point?
Ma'am, it will be 3 units.
Left hand side. Correct. So it will be 3 units to the left. Now for point D, what will be the distance from x-axis?
Ma'am, it will be 2 units from the
Very good.
from the x-axis.
And from y-axis?
It will be 5 units.
5 units. Absolutely right. So very simple question. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Now this question has used the concept of जो सुदीक्षा ने explain किया था हमें, the distance from x-axis and y-axis, that is what is abscissa and what is ordinate. So कभी भी आपको पूछेगा what is the distance from x-axis? Y coordinate. Distance from y-axis? X coordinate. हमेशा याद रखना vice versa होता है. X के लिए y, y के लिए x. Right? So now the last question which Shravya will be explaining us, and here it is.
Yes, ma'am. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle with length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. O is the midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of A, B, C and D. So over here it is given कि जो AB का length है it is 6 and CB and DA का length is also is 3. So it is given that O is the midpoint of AB. Over here we can conclude that OA is equals to OB as it is given it is the midpoint. When AB is 6, so AO and OB will be half of 6. So this is going to be 3 centimeter. Now O point is the origin. That means when we go towards the right hand side of O, we will get the positive numbers. So यहाँ पर O 0 है, then 1, 2 and B point is 3.
Right.
And then towards the A we will have minus, so -1, -2, -3 like that.
Right. So
A coordinates will be -3, 0.
A coordinate will be -3, 0.
-3, 0. B will be 3, 0.
0. Right.
C will be 3, 3.
Correct.
And D will be -3, 3.
Very good, Shravya. So this is how you have to approach this question, just like how Shravya approached it. Ki first you should know what is the distance of the point from the origin or from the y-axis. How she calculated it? Since AB is given 6 centimeters, so first she calculated the distance of OB. So OB is coming out to be 3 centimeter, that is half of 6 centimeter. After that, she plotted the points by simple, like general knowledge, a common sense of plotting any points in the coordinate system, because once you know the distance, you know the coordinate. So what you have to remember, bachcho, that distance from the axis and coordinates have a direct relationship. For example, here it is given the distance from y-axis is 3 centimeter. That means definitely the x coordinate is 3. That is how you have to solve such type of questions. Okay, thank you so much, Ravya. Very nicely explained. All right, guys. So yes, this was all about today's Ek Din Ka teacher. So, how were Shravya, Tanay, and Sudhiksha? Did you all enjoy it? First of all, so our new teachers, congratulations! Great job done by all three of
Thank
you.
you.
यार,
Thank you,
बहुत
ma'am.
अच्छा
Thank you,
पढ़ाया आप
ma'am.
लोगों ने. And
Thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
so proud of you guys that
Thank
you
you,
have
ma'am.
very good knowledge, perfect knowledge. किसी ने भी कोई भी गलत knowledge यहाँ पे impart नहीं किया. And very nice explanation, very good approach for each of the questions. So you guys are doing a great job. Congratulations. And I'm sure कि your friends, your classmates, your parents will be super happy to see कि आप वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म पे इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स के सामने बिना डर के इतने अच्छे से आप लोगों ने पढ़ाया और आप इतने अच्छे से खुद पढ़ रहे हो, बिकॉज अनलेस यू आर लर्निंग योरसेल्फ यू वोंट बी एबल टू टीच, राइट? So your learnings are going in a very nice direction. So well done. Claps for all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
ma'am.
that you guys joined today's class. And yes, बाकी बच्चों, did you all enjoy एक दिन का teacher? Yes. So just like Shravya, Tanay and Sudhiksha became teacher for a day, आप भी बन सकते हो हमारे एक दिन के teacher on this channel of Vedantu 9th and 10th English in my classes. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? You have to regularly attend the Prodigy classes of mathematics. Okay. So if you attend Prodigy classes regularly, you will definitely get the chance next chapter में. All right. So do comment and let us know कि आपको आज का session कैसा लगा and next time आप किस तरीके से session को conduct करना चाहोगे and who all are super excited. Yes. Okay. So yes, that was all about today. And thank you once again, Shravya, Tanay, and Sudhiksha. You guys can
Thank
have
you,
a
ma'am.
leave now. So bye to all three of
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks
Bye.
for
Bye.
fun.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, bacho. So yes, that was a super amazing class, and we had so much of fun with our new teachers, right? I know the title is wrongly written banking. बेटा मैं उसको correct करवा दूंगी बाद में. All right, so thank you so much बच्चों for joining today's class once again. अगर आप इसी तरीके से just like आप देख रहे हो that how good knowledge Shravya, Tanay and Sudhiksha are having for all the concepts of coordinate geometry. If you also want to gain these concepts this nicely and you want to make each and every concept super strong, then you can follow Vedantu and Vedantu's teachers who are here, right here to support you in every way possible. And we at Vedantu provide you Vedantu's pro courses who have super amazing teachers of Vedantu for maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English, right? Where online master teachers will be teaching you. You will be have live in-class doubt solving, live quizzes, polls, leaderboards, regular test series, assignments, notes, and Tatwa study material as well. So try out this course. It's a very amazing course now. How can you enroll this? A link is given in the description. Use my coupon code SKEPRO to get 10% discount as well. All right. So do follow that course. You can also become wonderful students and you can score very good marks in your class 10. All right, guys. Yes. Now, if you want to apply for Ek Din Ka teacher, then I will put up a Google form in the description of this video. आप उस Google form को fill कर देना and Prodigy के lectures को आपको regularly attend करना होगा. If you are a regular student, only then you can become एक दिन का teacher. All right. So thank you so much, बच्चों. Share this video with your family and your friends. They will also see that even students can be the teachers, right? Thank you, everyone. Bye, guys. Ta-da. Take care. Bye-bye.